So here's the thing, right? I am convinced that by doing the right work and by getting evaluation out early, by having a solid understanding of scope, we're going to do the right work, which in the long run is faster and cheaper than doing the wrong work and having to come back or deal with something that doesn't work. When we plan the work, an Agile team is going to plan it incredibly visibly. Have you ever walked into an Agile team's workroom? What's on the walls? Sticky notes. I have some people going like this. Lots of stuff, right? Because when you can see what's going on, it is incredibly powerful. We used to have a single consolidated spreadsheet that contained the status of all of our projects by week with individuals assigned to them. It will use the Excel conditional formatting, so I could tell you who was overbooked, who was underbooked at any given time, and it would color code them. It was a thing of beauty. I put it on the network so that everybody could see it. No one ever looked at it until there was an emergency, and then it was out of date. It was useless. Nobody had done anything with it, right? When we started putting this up on the wall in our lobby, huge difference, huge difference. You can't walk past that every day and have it wrong.